Mga ka-admin, panoorin natin itong interview kay Senator J.B. Ejercito. At dito mga guys ay tinatalakay nga niya ito mga nangyaring balak na papagsakin ang gobyerno ng ating Pangulo, Bongbong Marcos. Panoorin natin.
Can you expound some more? What do you have with respect to that destab? Kasi po inuulit-ulit nyo, meron ba talagang ganon na merong nag-a-attempt na mag-destab against the administration?
Kasi nung una, ang tinitira lang, alam mong politika, Speaker Martin, tapos si Senate President Mig Zubiri, pero nung huli, ako, kasi politiko rin ako, pero nung pumasok na yung kay Commodore J. Tariela Coast Guard, Defense Secretary Guibo, that's because he is very firm in position against what China is doing. Ngayon po, if you would notice, it's the President already who's getting the attacks. Sinisiraan na po nila si President Bongbong Marcos. Napakabilis naman ng honeymoon. Di ba? Wala pang 1 year and a half. Ganyan din ginawa kay President Erap. Napakabilis ng honeymoon. Or maybe faster lang. But ako, I was not part of the team, but I would side with the president because he was given the mandate, the contract to serve the next 6 years. In the same way, we were all given the mandates. Kaya nga, respetuhin natin yung will of the people that he was selected to lead this country in the next 6 years. Again, I'll reiterate, any adventurism or destabilization will not be good for the country in the long run. We will suffer. We will suffer political and economic instability. All the more, foreign investments will go to other ASEAN countries. Ngayon nga, natatalo na tayo sa Vietnam, sa Malaysia, sa Indonesia, in terms of foreign investments. All the more, pag magkaroon tayo ng ganitong adventurism and political instability. So, nakakalungkot kasi we are trying to fix a lot of problems, but because of these political bickerings, nauudot lahat.
Okay, may follow-up si Mean.
Sa tingin nyo, sino yung nasa likod ng Duterte?
Well, I think people in the past administration who were tapped to create trouble and havoc.
Kita nyo na mga guys,
Admin
ang
reach.
pinapakalat na balita ng mga taong gusto lang talaga Israel.
Comentarista.
Nakita naman natin na ang kanilang mga pinapakalat ay walang katotohanan. Paano pa man karami ng mga taong sa iyo ay nagagalit, ang talaga naman ikaw ay hinihiba. Pero, galingan mo lang. Dagdagan mo lang, mga kaibigan. At the end of the day, performance doesn't lie. Ito po mga kaibigan, muli si Admin Rich. Fight fake news, expose the truth.
Fight fake news and expose the truth. Fight fake news and expose the truth. Fight fake news, expose the truth.
Fight fake news, expose the truth.
At bawal ang fake news, expose the truth.
Guard